Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we discuss everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's episode, we talk about Bitcoin breaking the $10,000 barrier with ease. We also discuss Ethereum's rally to over $330, as well as some ERC-20 tokens that seen nearly 500% gains. We're going to do a little bit of technical analysis on Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Yearn Finance, and the current top cryptocurrency prices. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, July 27th. Thank you so much for joining me every single day. I appreciate every single one of you subscribers, everyone that likes the videos, everybody that comments. You guys are valuable to me. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, consider subscribing down below and ticking the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new one. And as always, the show is sponsored by the CoinCasso Cryptocurrency Exchange. So if you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below. Now let's jump into these prices. Bitcoin currently sitting at $10,235. Up 5.5% from yesterday. Ethereum, $325.30, up 7.13%. Chainlink doing horribly, down 8% from yesterday, $7.25. And Cardano down 3.14% at 0.1424. How crazy was this weekend? I haven't seen such movement in cryptocurrency for months. Let's just jump right into TradingView and take a look at all of these currencies. Okay, all of last week, most cryptocurrencies saw huge movement over the weekend, even more. Bitcoin on Tuesday was $9,190. Over the next 4 days, it actually rallied 3 times, stagnating a little bit. And then on Saturday, it had another spike up to $10,157. This was the psychological barrier that I was talking about, that $10,000, $10,200, $10,500 levels. When it hits those points dramatically, it immediately drops back down. So it came back down all the way down to like 9,800. And then while I was sleeping, it just shot back up and over $10,300. We're seeing literally a perfect staircase pattern. This is extremely bullish. I really like the movement of Bitcoin right now. The one thing I'm concerned about is this $10,400 level, because it's its previous highest high. Since the whole Bitcoin halving, price going up, everybody's rallying, everybody's bullish, we got to this level and then it dropped back down below $9,000. So I'm thinking over the course of today, it'll kind of stagnate here at about 10,100, maybe drop down to 10,000 and then come back up here testing this $10,400 level. What I'd really like to see is drop back down and a break through this $10,435 level. Let's draw out what I mean. I want to see this coming down a little bit and then spiking up, not reaching this level, coming down a little bit more, and then the next spike up, I want it to break through big and then come back down, not touching this level again, so that we stay out of this psychological barrier. Then it would actually continue matching its staircase pattern that it's been on. So my anticipation for this week in Bitcoin is going to be above $10,500, closer to $10,700. Now, if you're wondering what percentage gain this was, let me show you. It was trading flat up until Tuesday. So if we take the price from Tuesday all the way up to its peak right here at 10,330, you're looking at nearly a 13% profit on your money. So if you invested $1,000 right here, by this point, you'd have $1,130. But like I've said before, Ethereum may have the exact same movement as Bitcoin, but you will get more percentage gains out of that same movement. As you can see here, we see this exact same staircase pattern as Bitcoin since Tuesday, but the percentage gain from the lowest low to the highest high here is 40%. That's nearly 3 times more percentage gains than Bitcoin. If you would have invested $1,000 here on Tuesday, you would currently have $1,400. That's a big difference. Now, I genuinely believe that this rally will not stop unless the sell-off when Bitcoin hits 10,500 is going to be big. Now, taking a look at one of the altcoins that I've been discussing recently, that's Cardano, also known as ADA. If you look at the same time frame from Tuesday last week to today, we didn't start climbing up until this weekend. You can see here flat line for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then Friday night, Saturday morning, the price just shot straight up, nearly hitting 16 cents. Unfortunately, it did correct back down, but this percentage gain just over Saturday and Sunday was nearly 30%. I really believe this price is going to swing up here very soon, because if you look down here at the RSI, we've actually been playing above the 50 level, which is a bull market, dropping below the 50 right now and actually swinging back up. So I think we can continue this momentum up to the 70, 80 level. If this does continue to go up, the price point that I'm hoping for is this 18-cent level, which if you've watched my previous video is the previous highest high. Now, a lot of you are scratching your heads wondering why your altcoins, your ERC-20 tokens, your DeFi tokens, why aren't they getting the same percentage gains as Bitcoin and Ethereum? You have to understand that the cryptocurrency market is still only 5 or 6% of the population. So with Ethereum's big movement and Bitcoin's big movement, a lot of people move their money out of ERC-20 tokens and DeFi tokens into Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is why they kept rallying up, causing the price of everything else to pretty much stay stagnant, including Link, which is actually down 8%. But not all DeFi tokens have been stagnant. One in particular, some articles are claiming that it's had 100,000% gains in the last month. From the charts that I've seen, I'd like to say otherwise. This is a DeFi token called Yearn Finance. On TradingView, it's only showing charts from Tuesday last week. This is a brand new DeFi token. The price was sitting at $748, and over the next 4 days, it went all the way up to $4,790. That's a 540% profit. So if you invested $1,000 on Tuesday last week here, you'd have $6,400. So for everyone concerned, is alt season over? Is it better to put all your money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, the big players? Not yet. What I think is going to happen over the next week, we're going to continue seeing big gains from Bitcoin and Ethereum. And when that starts to slow down, people are going to take their profits from those two and start injecting them into altcoins. We're going to see a decrease in the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and a rally in other altcoins. Now, if you watched my previous video on what coins I think are going to be in the top 5 in market capitalization, they were Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink, and Cardano. Unfortunately, with the drop in Chainlink price, it has gone down in the rankings out of the top 10 of cryptocurrencies. But I'm much more bullish on Cardano, which is why more of my money's there. And Cardano had a huge move in the ranking list over the weekend. As you can see here, Cardano actually jumped to the number 6 spot, beating out Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. All Cardano needs to do now is move up to 16 cents and it will be a top 5 cryptocurrency. Over the weekend, Cardano actually hit 0.1562, so it was only half a penny shy of getting in the top 5. This is what I said just last week. From what I'm seeing, this might be a start of a huge rally. And I was right. This is just the start of a huge bull market in cryptocurrencies. With all the growth in DeFi, Ethereum, and dApps, we're seeing massive growth in this industry. The reason I believe Ethereum is going up so high is not only its August 4th launch of Ethereum 2.0, but also the fact that anybody using ERC-20 tokens for DeFi protocols and dApps, when they transfer out ERC-20 tokens, you actually have to pay the transaction in Ethereum, causing more people to buy Ethereum because more people are using that platform. So right now, Bitcoin's doing great, but Ethereum is doing astronomically well. Anything based on Ethereum, ERC-20 tokens, DeFi, and dApps is going to be almost a sure bet going all the way through the rest of 2020. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you think Cardano's going to get in the top 5 cryptocurrencies this week, or there's no chance? And don't forget to leave a like on this video on your way out, and we will see you back here tomorrow.